Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to find any Wi-Fi password, okay, in simple easy way. So now just for this purpose you have to go to the Play Store, okay. When you open your Play Store you have to search here WPS pin connect, okay. And app which I tell to you, this is an app, okay. WPS Wi-Fi WPS connect, okay. You have to install this. After when you install this, so it's so simple way for installing is okay. Now when you install it, just open this app. When you open this app, just click on the scan button, okay. Now you see all these Wi-Fi's are coming here and you can see everything, okay. Now what is the option when you click this Wi-Fi, okay. I just showed you this. I open this app, okay, and now this is the ad come. Now there is, you have to understand everything, okay. This is the Wi-Fi name, okay, and this is the BSS ID, okay, MAC address. If you come back, this is also written here A4 F33B70. And wait a second, okay, this is the MAC address of this Wi-Fi, okay. And encryption, in encryption there is a WPS. If you know WPS option also come to it, there is a Wi-Fi router, okay. And in the Wi-Fi router there is a back push button of WPS. WPS you can connect from the WPS. I will create how to connect by WPS, okay. Now just come here and just see, this is the MAC address, okay. And what you do, you have to copy, you have to write the Wi-Fi password of PTCLBB. For example, this is, skip the first four digit A4 F3, you have to skip the first four digit of MAC address. And now the last 8 digit you have to write it in the password 3B70 3C31. And all the alphabet you have to write all the alphabet in the small letter, okay, not in the capital letter. So B and C you have to write it in the small letter, and the number you have to write the number, all the number 3B70 3C31 you have to write this, okay. Now just go to the Wi-Fi. This I don't know the password, but I have already connect by this method, okay. I will show to you. Now just come here, okay. And this is the PTC. What is the MAC address? Now this is 3B370 3B 3B70 3B70 3C31 3C31, okay. When you write it, just click on the connect option. See, it's connecting. It's not my Wi-Fi, it's not, it's already something else Wi-Fi, and I connect to this very simply, okay. So you can do the, just subscribe my channel and watch more video about Wi-Fi connection, okay. Thanks for watching.